Hey Greg, how are you doing? This is Charles. I finally got around to making this video which I was talking about. I'm sorry it's taking so long, but I just wanted to kind of, show you a few tips of like uh, what I do and some stuff that you can do to your site to actually make it start ranking, or at least get it seen by more people. Um, all the SEO stuff. So the three things are content, citations, and backlinks. Content has to do with everything here on your front page. Everything I have highlighted in blue. All the text, the words, the pictures. Let me just shut that down. Okay. Yep, the text, the words, the pictures. Um, what the pictures are saved as well. For example, let me show you if I it's saved as a link. So just 1 second. I'm looking for a picture like this. No. Okay. But if you had pictures, not just links, that would be content. So let's see something like this. So you see this cherry candle dish one. So that's good. That's a good keyword to save it as, because Google does read that. Okay, so yeah, that's content. Now to optimize with Google, it's good practice to have between 1,000 to 1,500 words of text, of authoritative text that contains keywords. And by keywords, I mean those phrases that someone would type into Google if they're searching for you. For example, if I was looking for a custom furniture maker or custom furniture, I don't know who does what, so typically this is what someone would type into Google. This keyword, this phrase, and then we'll go into these results. But okay, so that's for the website. Have good content with good keywords, and it takes a bit of research to actually think about what your potential clients would are looking for. But there are tools for that also. Okay, next thing is citations. So when someone types in a keyword, you'll see a couple of ads here, these Google ads. They're always hit and miss because some people like to have ad blockers that would block these ads, so they won't get to see these businesses. And yeah, it's also pay per click, so sometimes that can also rank up fast. It depends on how many people are searching for whatever service it is. And then you have the map pack that's below here, and the map pack features 3 businesses and the map. And sometimes you'll have an ad as well, or 2 ads. If you click more businesses, you'll see the other businesses further down the map pack. Now, the question is, how do you rank here? It comes down to what's known as citations. Citations are anywhere your name, address, and phone number are cited in online directories. Directories like Yext, Yelp, LinkedIn, Dexnos, superpages.com, yellowpages.com, and the different directories for different niches. Yeah, so Google does take that into account, and the more higher quality ones you have, the higher you will rank in this map pack, because Google will see that you're more relevant, and your name, address, and phone number are the same across the board. So yeah, that's citations. Right after that, below citations, are these organic search listings. And the way to rank here, one of the major things has to do with backlinks. Now, if you think of the internet as a connection of web pages, a backlink is where one web page links or directs traffic to you. So, for example, if I know that you featured in a few articles, let me just pause 1 second because I'm going to pull some up. All right, so I just Googled FUUGS woodworking, and I can see what was it here, the Aubrey.org partners, and they've listed you here with a link to you. So that's a good backlink. That's a strong backlink because Google can see you guys are kind of doing the same thing in the same niche. This is a respectable website. They've been there for a while. So that's a strong backlink. Not all backlinks are the same, because imagine if Pizza Hut was linking to you guys. That would make no sense. And Google would see that as a spammy backlink. There are tools out there that can help like researching backlinks. So for example, let me go to the search again. I saw that this guy, Philadelphia Table Company, looks like, a competitor of you guys. Custom orders, custom furniture in Philly. So what I'll do is take his website and put him into a tool called Ahrefs. It's a popular tool that's out there that helps analyze websites. So I'll take a look at his website. I can see the keywords he's ranking for. He's only got 76 backlinks from 12 domains. That's quite easy to beat. So you go in, look at wherever he's linked to, or wherever his backlink comes from. Make sure you go to that site, whatever the site is, and let me look at the actual backlinks, the 78 to them here, Philly Mag. So I'd make sure that you have a backlink on these sites, and not only this, kind of double or triple within your niche the number of backlinks so that you stay on top of them. And I say your biggest competitor, and I'll show you why. Because he's grabbing the most traffic, and if we look at those keywords that he's ranking for, just give it a second. Let me close this. Okay, so like custom furniture for Philadelphia, volume 80 people search for that every month with the traffic, and he's getting 27 people coming to his site because he's in the first position on Google. Custom dining tables, it's the same thing. No, not the same thing. I mean, that's a huge volume. He's getting 26 because he's ranking 13. Custom furniture maker Philadelphia, 60 people search for that per month. He's getting 6 people. So it adds up. The more keywords that you're starting to rank for furniture makers Philadelphia, the more traffic you'll get. So it's up to it's a good idea to look at your competitors, see what they're ranking for. Make sure you include those keywords in the text that you put on your sites, on all your back pages, and Google will start to pick you up more and more, and you'll start to grab a lot more of this traffic. So those are the 3 things: content, citations, and backlinks. Working on those things will help you start ranking higher and higher in different searches on Google, like when someone searches for custom furniture Philadelphia. One other thing I want to mention was your Google My Business page. Here, let's go to it. Oh, those are just the pictures. Just optimizing it is also good. Make sure address, phone number, name is the same across any directories that you put. This is the Google My Business page. Make sure you have they say about 20 to 25 pictures, high resolution pictures. Which I guess you have quite a bit, but maybe just increase them. If there's any description you could give, make sure it's about 500 words with those keywords, with good keywords that what someone would type if they're looking for you. All right. Thanks a lot. That's all I wanted to show you. Oh, there is one thing I was just started working on. Just give me a second, because I was thinking if I was doing your website, how would it be? What would I do? So I use this tool called Snaps, and I was just envisioning, like, if it was your website, this would be all these would change definitely. This is a template for a hobby shop, but I was thinking could be the same as as if you're doing for tables, or custom furniture. So obviously you'd have to include a lot of text here. Yeah, basically an online shop, which I am learning how to make. I've never made a shop before, but it doesn't see. This tool is super easy to edit and yeah. So if you'd like me to help you in building one, just let me know. Love to work together. But in any case, whatever I've said today, content citations and backlinks, that's the main gist of what helps you. All right, take care. Sorry this is so long. I wanted it to be a bit shorter, but I've been stumbling over my words. Take care, Greg. All the best.